Well, I just realized I've been filming for the last hour with a dirty lens. Hello everyone. Let's do some cleaning today. Since minimizing my home, I cut my possessions in half. It's been a lot easier to keep things clean, but to be honest, for the last few days, I've been a little lazy. I've kind of let things pile up. Things are looking real grimy. So I wanted to do some cleaning and I wanted to bring you guys along, especially to show you what a day of cleaning might look like for somebody that did get rid of half their possessions. In fact, there are a couple areas in the house that I really want to declutter even more. In the boys' bedroom and Lila's toy box, my little toddler, it's overflowing, we can't even close it. So I'm gonna hit those two up as well. So let's do some cleaning, a little decluttering. Hopefully this video is super motivating. If it is, please don't forget to hit subscribe and let's get to work. I have really been trying to keep my bathrooms at least sprayed down, wiped off. It just really makes a big difference on how everything smells, and it's just really nice to go in there to a clean bathroom. I've been having a really hard time finding cleaning products through all of this COVID-19, and I finally found some at Target recently. I was so happy. So I'm using the Method bathroom cleaner. They have a foaming one. This is not the foaming one, so they have a couple different kinds. And then I also have the Method glass and surface cleaner. It smells delicious, like mint, and it works really well. So I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors with that. But one trick that I absolutely love to do is use a a dish scrubber is what I'm trying to say, for the sink. This is a hack that I've been doing for a couple of years and I absolutely love it. So if you have a clean dish scrubber, just use them in your sink. It works awesome. Recently, I've gotten into the habit of letting my clean laundry pile up before I fold it. I have kind of felt like I don't want to just fold it as it comes out. I feel like that is just too much pressure, but I feel like that pile of laundry glaring at me every day is actually not ideal. So I am going to go ahead and start trying to fold loads as they come out. Also, if you can catch them while they're warm, it really helps cut back on wrinkles. So let me know in a comment, do you guys fold your loads as they come out of the dryer one at a time, or do you fold a few loads at once? One thing that I've done to kind of compromise with myself is to not put them away until I actually have 2 or 3. So I will let it pile up a little bit on top of the dryer, but this has been working out pretty well for me, and I actually have really enjoyed not seeing that massive pile of laundry on my laundry room floor. My kitchen was not looking too hot, so I wanted to make sure that I spent a little bit of time in here not doing deep down clean. I'm not going to do the oven or anything like that. I'm not going to pull the refrigerator out and sweep under it, although I definitely need to do that soon. I just want to tidy everything up, get the dishes done, and the counters sprayed off. For the counters, oh my goodness, I adore the Mrs. Meyer's Mint Surface Spray. This one with the apple cider. I love that fall scent, but this one is right up there with my favorite scents. I haven't been burning candles recently. I've just been trying to cut back on my expenses. So that is one thing that I haven't been buying just the past few months. But this Mrs. Meyer's mint scent fills up my whole house. I can smell it upstairs after I've sprayed it in the kitchen. It is absolutely incredible, but I'm just going to be using that here in a second after these dishes are done.
My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you caught me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flooding.
I have noticed with little fingers in my house, my stainless steel gets smudged so quickly. I don't know about other appliances. Like, is it just the stainless steel that smudges like this, or do all appliances do this? Let me know down below. What do you guys have? Do you find that your appliances smudge like crazy, or is it just me? But I like to go ahead and give these a quick wipe down every couple of days just to keep things looking clean.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with
Keeping it real, I want to give you a quick floor tour before I sweep. My floors were horrible. This is after breakfast and lunch.
they won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Come from near and far with their hands and hearts, 'cause it's time to stay.
Okay, here is her toy box. As you can see, we can't even close it, so she's got too many things. I'm just gonna keep the things in here that she's playing with at the moment. Hopefully I can find a couple things to get rid of, but I did go through the toys recently. A lot of these are books, some of them torn, so I can probably either put these away as seasonal. Yeah, like these are Christmas and Halloween. She loves this one. But hopefully after I clear this out, it will be so much easier for her to get into, and we can actually close it again.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climb right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
Here are all the books I'm going to be moving upstairs. I did keep a couple down here for her. And then here is the bag of donations. I am going to pass some of these on to her little cousin. The rest can go to the Goodwill. But I have been looking for this forever. I'm super happy to have found it. So let's go ahead and check out the boys' room. I think we're going to have a ton more stuff that we can donate.
Before I head upstairs, I do want to give my living room a quick refresh. I am super happy that these pillows that I bought, I've had these for a while, but they have removable cases. I highly recommend this. I have actually been really enjoying being able to take them off and wash them. So that's just a little tip, especially if you have kids or pets. And then I'm just going to wipe down this coffee table. This coffee table I bought off of Facebook Marketplace, and I've noticed a couple places where the paint is really starting to wear off and you can see the wood underneath. So I would love to touch this up, but I'm kind of afraid because I don't know what colors they used. I don't know really what to do. Should I repaint this or should I just do my best at color matching? What would you do if you were me?
So this is the boys' closet right now. It really needs some attention. I actually never officially decluttered it. They've got tons of clothes here, things that just don't fit. So I'm gonna go through this quickly and then double check with them on everything. But I think it'll go faster if I do it first and then check with them after.
Just to give you an idea of the kind of things that they like to collect, on the top of their dresser, they had painted a bunch of rocks. So we had tons of rocks and cords, different cords that go to, I honestly have no idea. I'm assuming little toys that they have, but things like that. Oh, and Pokemon cards. Those are the things that really pile up in their room. But this bin on top of their shelf here is full of little keepsakes. So I need to organize these, come up with some binders so that they can look through them, enjoy them. But I'm gonna just pull this stuff out. Look at how many clothes they had stuffed in here. This was a real problem. This project I have been meaning to do for, oh gosh, I'm gonna admit it, a couple of months, but it only took me like 7 minutes. So if you have a project that's just been glaring at you, just get to it. It just takes a second. And it looks so much better when it was done.
I surprisingly didn't find a ton to donate in here. I did find this sweater, but a lot of what I found was a ski stuff that will actually save for next year, but it did not belong here anyway, so I'm glad I cleared it out. Oh, this is so much better. I need to do something with the instructions for the bunk bed. I organized just briefly up here and got this cleared off, so it is so much better. So much better than it was, and we have a whole bag for donation.
I have a couple more videos. If you guys want to check them out, you can just click the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. I would love to have you as part of the tribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!